Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to make cotton box marshmallows. We use such marshmallows in our holiday gift sets for the Christmas collection. They look very impressive and unusual and have a very delicate taste. The marshmallows themselves can be made according to any recipe you like. Our recipe can be found in our special course. Look for more info below the video. Take the bag and place it in a measuring cup. Slightly open the bag up to touch the walls of the cup. Now we need to transfer the prepared marshmallow mass to a pastry bag. After you've transferred the mass, take the bag out of the cup and cut off the tip, creating a hole about 1 centimeter wide. Then twist the top of the bag, slightly pushing the mass downwards. Now place this bag into another bag with a nozzle about 12 millimeters in diameter. If you choose not to use a nozzle, this will result in an unpleasant groove left by the side seam of the pastry bag. A cotton box consists of 5 parts. Holding the so-called pastry flower nail by the stem, touch the top of it with the tip of the pastry bag, and press down on the bag, creating a large marshmallow ball. Finish the ball up with a down and around movement of the pastry bag. Make the other 4 balls according to the same technique, but try not to make them look the same because in nature they are all different. When all 5 balls have been made, carefully drag the paper with the marshmallows onto the table and make the next set the same way. Now you will need to make sepals. Color the remaining mass brown with ordinary gel water-soluble food color. Always add color little by little. Add the first portion, mix it in, evaluate the shade, and add more if necessary. Keep adding the color until you get the desired shade. Transfer the colored marshmallow mass into a pastry bag with the help of a measuring cup. For sepals, I use a special leaf nozzle. But if you don't have such a nozzle, that's not a problem. Leaves can be made with the help of a regular bag. I'll show you both ways. Take out the pastry bag and cut off the tip with scissors to make a hole 3 millimeters in diameter. Place your cotton marshmallows back on the pastry nail. Start distributing the marshmallow mass with the tip of the pastry bag at the bottom of the niches between the cotton balls, as if pulling the mass out of the bag, thus filling the niches. Fill them up to a different height. And don't forget about the center of your marshmallow. Plant 1 or 2 dots there as well. The second way of doing this is with the nozzle. Just place the bag with the marshmallow mass into another bag with a leaf nozzle and go through the same steps as mentioned before. I prefer using the nozzle since this way the sepals come out prettier. Look at how incredibly beautiful and unusual our marshmallow came out. I love to surprise our customers, especially with our festive seasonal collection. The customer is always ready to pay more to surprise his friends and family with something not only delicious but also impressive. So please follow the link below the video. I will be glad to see you among my students.